Little bit funny, this feeling inside. I'm not one of those who can easily hide. I don't have much money, but boy, if I did, I'd buy a big house where we both could live. So excuse me for getting, but these things I do, you see, I've forgotten the green or the blue. Anyway, the thing is, what I really mean, you're such a sweetest eyes I've ever seen. And you can tell everybody this is a song. It may be quiet, simple, but not as good. I hope you don't mind. I hope you don't mind that I put down in words how wonderful life is. Now you're in the world. If I was a sculptor, but then again, no, the good makes oceans in travelation. I know it's not much, but it's the best I can do. My gift is my song, and this one's for you. Oh, 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 oh.